Hi, this is Rakesh Rani watching Real Technology. In this video, we will show you how to take registry backup before editing. So let's start the video. Click on the start menu and search registry. You can directly open or you can run as admin from here. And if you are IT person, you know that we do editing from here. Okay, just click on file and export it from here. Once you export, it will ask for a name. Just give it a name. You can name it anything and save it. It will take some time to save, so we have saved on the desktop. It is taking some time. Once done, we'll check the file size and other details. It is almost done, so it is completed now. Okay, so just right click on this file, and if you check the properties, you will see the file size and the file extension here. We are just checking it, nothing required. If you want, you can import it from here. After editing, if you face any issue, you can import the file. It will take some time. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.